So ever since I've had this car, this is what the interior dash area looks like. I have this USB port cup holder. Um, he modified the inside to get this USB and this cup holder in here. I don't know where this wiring goes, and this is always on, which I want to change. It's got this Alpine stereo. It's got this other USB that looks like speakers, but I've never got it to work. I don't know what this button does. And it's got this cover, which I'm not that big of a fan of. And so in this series, I'm going to be replacing this and taking the dash and redoing it. So let's get started. So it had two screws here to hold this cup holder USB mount. I do like that this is metal instead of plastic, but I don't want food or drink in the car, so I'm gonna take this out. I want to follow this back to see exactly where this goes, because as you can see the car's off and this is always on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. That's gone. I'm gonna put these on the side. Here's the foam from the previous installation. I don't know why I didn't take this out. I'm assuming it was like this, something like that. Let's see what other goodies we have in here. Cool. Put that in the piggy bank. I'm not sure what power this comes into, but just based on what this looks like, it looks like a 12 volt to 5 volt. So I'll check that soon. But for right now, I'm just gonna unplug these. I definitely have an idea for this. I've got something I want to use with this guy, so I'm gonna definitely keep this and put it on the side. So for right now, I'm calling that good, and I'm gonna continue up here. So before I continue, I'm just gonna get my multimeter out and check what this is real quick. I know it can't be more than 12 because that's what the battery is. Okay. So that means that this is positive. So I'll make note of that before I forget. And I'm gonna continue onward. So I'm going to be replacing all of this. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be replacing it with. I just know I'm going to be replacing it. So first thing, let's get this out of here. I don't need that anymore. And then let me get a tool and start taking this off. I'm not going to be needing this anymore. It actually doesn't even work. It comes in and out. so let it go. Goodbye, old friend. And it gives us a first glimpse of what it looks like in there. Let me show you. Begin in there figuring some stuff out. Got the clock out. I'm gonna stick my hand in here and start popping these guys out. Come on. 2 for 1, huh? So last thing I want to do is break this. Wait a second. Is it just as simple as pulling? Guess so. That's embarrassing. I'm gonna see if I can mark these so that I know which one's which when I reconnect these later. Now that we got those out, let's see what I can do to get this other guy out. And like I said, I have no idea what this does. Well, there you go. That's why. Because it does nothing. Cool. Just a button. Okay, let's see about this guy. Come on, work with me. Trying to be gentle, man. Come on. Right, so I may wait to take this out so I don't come at this reckless and break anything. So I'll just leave it at that. Next thing I want to do is show you guys this. This is the cover, but let's see how bad it is when I take it off. So now I'm going to be taking off the cover. Let's see what kind of damage we got back here. And wow, would you look at that. A cracked dash. I've never seen one of these before. There we have it, folks. So I'm gonna be taking off all of this to get to this dash so that I can replace it. So let's keep going. Alright, we're gonna try to gently pry this off. See how this lip here is in front of this? I don't know why it's like that, but it shouldn't be. It should be behind it. There. That should make it easier. Okay. And now we got it. The whole center console is out. Now I'm gonna quickly release the stereo. These two tabs on each side. Come on, give me it. Okay, got that loose. Now I need to figure out how to get this out. I'm not sure how to connect that back there. It's just I'm not sure how to figure out that wiring. What's holding this on? Let me dive through the spaghetti. True love spaghetti. Just get this out. Is there any way I can? Wow. Check that out, guys. You can't see it. Hold on. Okay, so after messing with this for a little bit, I figured this out. This goes from the stereo to this guy back up here, and you've got to see how funny this is. Okay, so then you pull that out of here. Check this out. That's a lot of hot glue. Look at that. That is awesome. Alright, now I'm gonna have to take the other controls out. And let me get that out. Okay, so after a couple of minutes of fussing with this, I got the stereo out. There is an amp in the back, but some of these speakers aren't hooked up. So when I reassemble this, I'm gonna have to figure that out. I got the panel off. All I had to do was pull this out and this guy out, and that was basically the whole thing. So I'm gonna set that aside. Look back here. So this is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna take the stereo out, then kind of take inventory or organize these wires, and go from there. So I was continuing to take everything off this. Took the audio connections out here too. Took the USB. Took this aux cord out. And so now that we got these taken out and this taken out, there's only one more cord I gotta remove. Got it. And now that is gone. So, like I said, we're going to be redoing all of this. So I think we did a good job at taking it apart most of the way. We'll continue this later. Thanks for watching.